Hello guys, welcome to the Man Cave. Now today I'm going to do something totally different that I don't normally do. I have ordered this. I told you guys it was coming. It is a wireless microphone kit. Man Cave's going technical. So we're going to unbox this thing and see what it's like. So let's get the cellophane off. It come very well packed, no damage to the box. This was a budget wireless microphone kit. And I've never done an unboxing before, so... Oh, that's lid's coming on. Oh, nice box, nice hard box. Oh, what have we got in here? We have a little pouch. Look like a book of instructions. What's this here? Right, there you go. Antenna or transmit receiver can extend. Right, okay. Press the channel button. Connect TRRS to smartphone. Connect the TRS to RX. One end of the connected camera. Right, oh, I'm going onto a phone here, look. Right, well, there you go. We shall see the correct use of cables. Right, let's see what's in. Oh, that's smaller than I thought. Look at them little bad boys. These are little... Remove me. Okay, we'll do that in a bit. TX, so that'll be the transmitter, and RX will be the receiver. So there's the receiver, which got a nice little clip on. C charging port, because these charge. There should be some cables and a microphone in there apparently. Here we have two C port chargers. So we've got two USB-C chargers to charge these things up. What else have we got? It looks like we have the TX to TRX cable and our lapel microphone, which obviously plugs into the transmitter, so this one. So yeah, but I think this is a microphone on its own, or you can actually plug the lapel microphone in and use it like that. So that's basically what we've got today for you. I will see if I can get this thing fired up. Let's see if there's enough juice in them to turn them on, because I'm probably going to have to charge them. Will they turn on? Oh, look at that, look at that. Da, da, da. We have half battery, so do this one turn on as well? Press and hold the button and on it comes. There we go. Oh, it's clearly working, because you can see by my voice there's the little things going across, the little sound level meter. But I'm recording this video through the camera's microphone. I'm just recording this on my smartphone, which is a Samsung S20. So I'm just recording it through that at the minute. I'll have a little play with these and try and set them up, and then I'll come back and see if we've got any better audio. Right, for now, that's about it. I say that all seems to, they all seem to be doing their little flashy thing. I have got an adapter I've ordered, which is in the other room, so I shall have to go and get it, and I'll see if we can connect these up and get any sound out of it. Alright, bye-bye for now. Right, hello Man Cavers, I'm back on with this new microphone, and I'm going to show you where I've got the thing set. We have the volume set on this thing to 9, and the bit I'm wearing, the transmitter, is set to 8, because you can adjust the volumes, and that did take me about 10 attempts to get the balance right and get it wired up. But there you go. So we're going to see, can you still hear me as I walk around the workshop? Because this is where it's going to be used most. I know reviews aren't normally my thing, but I'm trying to improve it for you guys so you can hear what I'm saying a bit better. So we're going to start this thing and see if we get any noise, see if it's too noisy. So that's running. Can you still hear me? I don't know whether you can or not. This is all very trial and error. And also we'll move the camera here while we're at it. You can see a little bit of progress on this John Deere. Now the cutting deck is finished. So let me get this. Hey, let me elevate you guys up in the air a bit. Come on, Mr. Tripod. There we go. Right. Oh yes, this thing is now all reassembled, ready to go back on the mower. This is just a microphone test, but also an update. If you're wondering how this works, this is the pulley that goes to the engine, and when you pull on the cable, that will pull this down, which will tighten the belt. And then when you don't, that's slack. See? That's how the cutter deck works. But it's all silent now with the new pulleys on. It's all silent. We've got the new spindle bearings in. If I lift the brake off, you can hear they're silent as well. That's just where the belt's dragging. Trust me, they are silent. So yeah, let me go through the back here, see if you can still hear me when I get through the back. I'm through in another room now. I'm in the paint room where I mix my paint up. I'll come back with my screwdriver actually and put that back in the box. This is really just a test for this microphone to see if it works with me moving around. So it looks like, yeah, well, this is about sort of 2.5 minutes, and yeah, just making sure that you don't sort of get too much interference. Make sure you can hear me all okay. Well, I'm going to leave this video here, and hopefully you've managed to hear me all right, and hopefully this little gadget up here, I say that's the cheapest wireless microphone you can get. They're about £45 I think it was delivered, and it came within 3 days. And let's see how impressed I am with it, or whether I'm gonna, you know, not use it and keep using the microphone inside the phone. We shall see. Right, I'm off. Bye bye for now, guys.